What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we're picking up another abandoned car. Well, we're buying from someone. He said he found it abandoned. He was an old race car driver. He fixed it up, used it for races. He got retired. He doesn't want to do races anymore, and now he's just trying to sell it. So messaged him, and we're gonna go pick it up. So for some reason he left it out in the woods, because apparently he had to go do something. So let's go get it. Said, wait, let me get lockers. Said it was somewhere up here. This is where I am going to check. It's a race car, so. But I did see a picture of it. It's pretty rusted out. So we're gonna have to fix it. Looked like there was a deflated tire. So I'm looking around. It's supposed to be somewhere up here. Ow, wow. Hit my Jeep. Yeah, this is the abandoned. Oh, there it is. Anyways, I was saying this is abandoned Jeep from yesterday's video. Here it is. It looks pretty nice. I'm gonna get in the drone, show you guys. Pretty blingy rims like the Jeep had. Nice fire is number 11. I don't know why he left those running boards on, but oh, it's got that horn. I didn't even see that. Okay, well, I'm gonna get this loaded on the trailer. I'm gonna go back to my shop and fix it up. See you when I do that. In now. Okay, guys, we got this thing back in the shop. Now we can really take a look at it. Yeah, it doesn't look that bad. Except for the rust, obviously. I'm gonna have to fix it. So, let's fix this thing up. I don't know. I'm gonna keep these running boards on. I'll leave it. Now, I have to fix that flat tire. Okay. Seems pretty good. It's pretty good. Okay, gotta get the rust off now. Ooh. Black coat of paint under that. Okay. I'm liking it. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Gold rims, I don't mind those. They're fine. I'll leave them for now. Yeah, it's pretty nice. Okay, so I'm gonna go test it out. Okay. Said it was fast, so go ahead and test that out. I'm gonna test the 0 to 60 time on it. Just gotta find a good place. Right now I'm just going slow. Then I'm going to see if it can drift after that, because it's a race car. Might be able to drift. It does have this handbrake. Ooh, starting to drift already. Okay, let's get this thing in 4-wheel drive / all-wheel drive. Gonna line this up. Don't want to hit that wall. Ooh, seems pretty fast. Yeah, it does. Okay, so I think we're ready. 3, 2, 1, go. 1, 2, 0 to 60 in 2 seconds. That's insane. Oh, okay. Luckily, this has a repair kit. Let's try and do a 4-wheel drive drift. I think this should work. Let's try rear-wheel drive drift. Oh, I think I need to get going faster. Does not drift the best, but it's okay. It's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, guys, well, I'm gonna keep playing around with this thing. If you guys want to see another roleplay video, head and subscribe, leave a like. We're still trying to get to 100 subscribers by Halloween. So if you guys could subscribe, that'd help me out a lot, and it's free. You can always change your mind, but leave a like on this video, and happy Halloween. As always, stay safe, stay awesome. Peace.